Hey, tubers, good morning, it's Rob Moffett. Guys, this morning we've got a little project going on. We're just going to replace the battery of this Timex. This is my favorite low-cost watch. It's a Timex with the Indiglo function. It's a reader. It's the problem with this battery right now, with the Timex right now, is when you press the stem, the light is not coming on or hardly at all for the Indiglo feature to continue to work. So, by the way, I'm not a watch expert. There's a lot of people on YouTube who are, and they come out of the woodwork whenever I do a watch video, and they school me and educate me on all the stuff I've been doing wrong. So I'm just showing you what I do. You may know different and know better, but this is what works for me. Whenever I replace the back, I like to put this little arrow close to this part of the watch so I can pry it up. If I put it over here, it's harder to finagle and get open. Now, this has a little rubber, or it has a gasket around there. I'm not sure if it's rubber or not. Could be another type of material, you know, Buna, or Teflon, but it keeps the water and dust out. Make sure this is a CR2016. Here's our 2016. While the watch is open, take a little bit of alcohol, isopropyl, and a Q-tip. Make sure it's working. Okay. There's the arrow. Holy crap. Now comes the hard part.